Hi, I'm Mima. I'm a grandma and a mom, and I have a cute story to read to you. It's called EEK, a noisy journey from A to Z. So, it might be a little noisy at times. I don't know if this is a good bedtime story, but we'll see. It's by Julie Larios and Julie Paschkis. EEK. Achoo! That sounds like a sneeze, huh? Can you say that? Achoo! B. Bzzz. Bzzz. Can you say bzzz? Bzzz. Try again. It's kind of hard. Bzzz. Good job. C is for chirp. Birds make a chirping sound. D is for ding-a-ling. Bells make a ding-a-ling sound. E is for eek. Eek is what you might say if you're a bird and you're trying to get away from a cat. You might be going eek. F is fwump. Fwump. That's a sound of falling down sometimes, huh? Fwump. G. Grr. Can you say grr? Grr. Grr. Sometimes dogs say grr when they growl. H. Harump. Harump. Harum pum pum. Harump. I. Ick. Ick. J. Dring, dring. It's for ringing the bicycle bell. Dring, dring. K. Kabunk. Oh. Kabunk. That's the sound of falling down too, huh? See how the bicycle hit the turtle? And they went flying. Kabunk. Maybe that's the sound also when it hits the turtle. Kabunk. L. La la la. Can you do la la la? Try again. L's are kind of tricky sometimes. La la la. La la la. You can also sing it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. M is for ma. 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 Is he sad? He's giving him a tissue. Ma. N. N is for num num. Num num. Have you ever had ice cream? Is ice cream delicious? Can you say num num num? Sometimes at my house we say, ooh, that's nummy. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Oh, one of his ice creams is falling off. The O is for oops. Oops, there it goes. Do you think the squirrel will catch it and eat it up? Oops. P is for plop. Oh, he did catch it. Look at that. Plop. Q is for quack. Do ducks quack? Have you ever heard a duck quack? Quack, Can you do that? Quack, quack. You might be able to do a better quack than I can if you try. Quack, quack, like a duck. R is for rah, rah. Rah is a great sound for making merriment when you're happy. You go, rah, rah, sis, boom, ba. Can you say rah, rah? That's for happy stuff. S is for sis, boom, ba. Sis, boom, ba. So the whole thing is rah, rah, sis, boom, ba. Looks like a parade. Do you want to look again? That's a really fun picture. Looks like a parade. Rah, rah, sis, boom, ba. T. Ta-da! It's when you do something and you get it done and you're like, yay, it's done. Ta-da! I did it. Ta-da! U is for uh-oh. Something went amiss. Uh-oh. Can you say uh-oh? V. It's the sound a car makes sometimes. Varoom. 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 Vroom. 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 Yeah, that sounds more like it. Vroom. Vroom. Have you ever heard a car or a motorcycle? Vroom. Vroom. And W is whee. Here's a W. Right here. Whee! That's something fun to say when you're having like a falling sensation or a jumping sensation or a lot of fun. Whee! I like to say whee when I'm driving on a hill and the hill goes down really steep and it makes my tummy feel funny. I go whee! X. XOXOXO. Do you know what that means? It means hugs and kisses. I love you so much. And Y is Yahoo. If you're really happy about something, what if somebody gives you a new present and you're really happy about it? You say, Yahoo! I love that. And Z. We know what Z is for. Sleeping, huh? Zzz. 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 Do you like to pretend like you're sleeping? Can you close your eyes and pretend? Zzz. Zzz. So that's a fun book called EEK, A Noisy Journey from A to Z by Julie Larios and Julie Paschkis. Good job. I like it. So, was that fun? Are you feeling good? Awesome. Yahoo! I'm happy. I love you. So I'm sending you XOXOXO. Hugs and kisses. Mwah. Until next time, come back and we'll read another book another time, okay? Mwah.